Today I'm unboxing and reviewing this 24-inch tall centerpiece. It can be used for any event. We have our rods, and these are the legs, 4 legs, and they came separately wrapped. And this is the top with the acrylic gems, and this part is the base. And I find it's easier to just use something thin, like I'm using my X-Acto knife to start lifting that paper, and the paper is what they use to secure the acrylic so it doesn't get scratched. So if you lift it with a blade, then it's easy for you to take it off. You may have a few pieces that's left behind. Just use some alcohol to clean it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my centerpiece together. We have the screws, okay, and they came with some extra screws also. Just place the screws in the hole and you'll see the space for the screw. It will sit flush against that acrylic when you're done. And then you're gonna need a screwdriver just to hold the screw while you tighten the legs. So these are the measurements. The top and the base is 1/4 inch, and they're both 23.5 inches by 11 3/4 inches wide. And this is an oval shape, both the top and the base. So this is a really nice centerpiece. If you love a bold and elegant look, well, this will definitely suit you. You can use it as a centerpiece on a large table, or you can use it as a side table, you know, next to your sweetheart table or anything like that. You can use it for florals, candles, you name it. The legs are 2/3 inch in diameter, and when put together properly with a screwdriver, it's nice and firm. It's very easy to assemble, and it's also very easy to take apart. So it's very convenient for you to pack it right back in the box, and you'll have it for your next event.